So it's been almost an year since I've put the Bolt charger on my bike, but I have never really used it to navigate because when you are on a bike, you can easily ask for directions, and most often you can rely on the road signs. At each junction, there will be clear markings on the deviations which you need to take. So I've never really used it, but now I'm just using it for the sake of using it. So I've put my mobile on navigate mode, and I'm also charging it at the same time. One of the advantages of the Bolt charger is that this unit here, this can be easily plugged out, and so there is no need to attach any switch.
So that means you can connect the charger directly to the battery terminals. There is no complex wiring involved. And when you're not using it, when you're away from the bike, you can easily detach the charger unit from the bike so that nobody else will be able to charge any device using your charger, even when the bike's ignition is off. Bolt is an Indian company, and I myself bought this device because it was being recommended by a few motor vloggers who are very popular. I'm very much satisfied with the choice. One thing to note is that the charging quality is heavily dependent on the cable which you use to connect the charger to your mobile. So make sure that you purchase a quality cable, especially if your phone is having a USB-C type connection, because there are a lot of fake non-certified cables out there in the market. So as always, I hope you find the video useful. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below, and I will see you next time.